Hi guys. Sometimes I get asked about the strategies and how they work in real case scenarios in the market. And I thought it was a prime example to take some snippets out of my FTX scan that I did recently to show you, as I did it live, pointing out these potential opportunities for those that know the checklist-based trading systems, what can evolve. And we worked down to the lower time frames this time because the market has been rather ugly of late. We haven't seen a great deal of momentum at all across the higher time frames or the mid-range time frames. So I jumped down to the lower time frames because any time frame that is moving and trending, the cradle, booster, and the breakout will work upon. So I'm going to go back to that list and show you some of the outcomes of just what occurred. On to AVE, again, the 4 hour actually has a higher low and a higher high, deep pullback here. Another one where we've got a half-hour cradle right there. We'll check that 1 hour. It doesn't actually look too bad. You know, we go lower high and obviously drive to a lower low. Bearish candle right there in the cradle zone. The 1 hour does have a lower high here and a bit of a slowdown here. It does sort of fit those criteria. We're going to start here with AVE. As you'll see in the snippets prior to this, you will see that was the candle. Now, look at the move that has occurred. And let me show you one thing quickly, just so you get an understanding. If you were to risk $100 on this trade, and let's say that you didn't scale it out just to keep it nice and simple for me, trailing stop through, currently your stop would be there, you'd be sitting at 8.36% profit. Now, if you risked $100 on that and did not scale out, you're looking at $836 profit to your stop being at the high of this level. Of course, it's about it would be about $450, $500 if you scaled out. So again, an example of a trade that's worked out very, very well following simple rules. Ooh, wow, look at that. Holy. That's the 30, sorry, that's the 30. They're both the 30. I thought that was the, yeah, okay. All right, let's keep going on this because I like to look at that to start off. We've got a lower high here. We don't have a downtrend on the 4 hour. Oh man, I'm not going to get the time to get this on, am I? Lower high, lower low, pull back in, bearish candle in the cradle. The 1 hour is going to have a downtrend in there as well. That looks pretty nice. Pop it in and see if I've still got it at the end. But yeah, that's the sort of thing I'm looking for. Algo was another one right here. We'll do the same exercise. If you were not to scale out and if you stayed in this position, and that comes down to your management of stop, currently, with a stop to there, it would be 5.75, but with current price, you'd be looking at about 8 to 1 once again. Now, realistically, I'd say you probably would have been taken out here if you're following the strategy by trailing the stop correctly. That still would provide you with a 3 to 1 target over a very short space of time. So looking here at the 1 hour, lower high, lower low, I would like it up in here potentially. Let's check that 2. The 2 does have a lower high. So if that 1 can carry itself up into here a little bit further, it's one that I'm willing to have in in the list. We'll see how it unfolds. As you can see, another great cradle that has worked out in the favor of the direction that one would be looking to trade this, which is to the downside. And where the price is currently right now, you're looking at 2.2 to 1. Not as big as some of the others, but it's profit that you can be locking in along the way. Of course, with scale outs, realistically, you probably would have moved your stop down to here, considering that was the option with a little higher low here. And you would have banked, your 3.27% or something around 2% if you scaled out. Immutable X, similar here. Look, we got the downtrend, we got the 30-minute, we got the bearish candle right there. You minimize your risk if that's what you want to do, and that's an option. Let's have a look at what that would have ended up being. Okay, so that was the opportunity candle there. Entry and stop being something around those figures. Taken out roughly here. Another 7.9 to 1 position. And that's just by going down to the lower time frames and focusing on a simple strategy with a checklist that can help you to make money whether the market goes up or down. Simple stuff, guys. Jump on the Become a Trader course, get started, join our free Discord, and see if it's for you. If it is for you, pay the money. Get yourself the strategies and join us for real. Make the commitment to yourself and change your life forever. Have a great day. Bye for now.